thumb studs for spring assist open, blade safety lock, serrated hollow ground blade, piercing spear point tip, adjustable LED flashlight. To add or change the battery pack, unscrew the flashlight head, remove the battery pack and paper insulator, place the battery pack inside the flashlight, screw in the flashlight head, and tighten to turn on the flashlight. Loosen the flashlight head to turn it off. Sure grip handle and rear serration. Built-in metal pocket clip. Built-in compass. Glass breaker. Belt and rope cutter.